Gemini is a very powerful AI tool. Just by giving your request to Gemini, it will generate you text, content, images, and now even videos. In this video, I will show you how you can build this Gemini AI agent in 10 minutes that will automatically generate viral YouTube titles for your ideas. Just enter your ideas in one Google Sheets and automatically you will receive not one, not two, not five, even not 10. 20 ideas for that specific YouTube idea you have. You will receive 20 titles for the video. So in this video, I will create this AI agent without need of any coding and programming skills. So first of all, let me show you how this Gemini AI agent is going to work. I will enter my new YouTube video idea right here, that is budget-friendly fashion brands that offer stylish clothing without compromising on quality. So this is my next YouTube idea that I've entered. It will take usually 15 to 20 seconds for the idea of the new titles to automatically be updated in this spreadsheet. Once it's updated, I will show you all the 20 ideas. In front of you, only the ideas are updated. You can see these are the title ideas. 5 secret fashion brands that look so expensive. Stop buying. You can see right over here, look rich on budget. All the titles, see that you can see 20 titles related to this idea is now been updated. Now these titles are SEO friendly. It has been analyzed by Gemini that okay, so this is trending currently on YouTube platform, and you can use these many ideas for this specific video that you have in your mind. Okay, so now let's create this AI agent for you. In 10 minutes, we are going to build this entire setup using Pabbly Connect. Simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. If you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup right away absolutely for free. And if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan of Pabbly to automate your workflows as a creator as well, you can simply use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts while checking out. Okay, now I'm already a user, so I've signed in and I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new workflow, go to this create workflow option and select the option of create using quick builder. Now my request is, I will enter that request in this field right over here. I've entered what I want. I want in Google Sheets to Google Gemini and then update the cell value back in Google Sheets. So this is my basic idea. I've written it right over here. You can enter an entire paragraph accordingly as well. In my Google Sheets, as soon as a new data will be entered, Gemini should generate the content according to the data and update the cell value. I will approve, create and open this workflow from here. Now simply let's build the connections. It's very easy. The trigger Google Sheets update new row, you can see right over here. This is the webhook URL using which we are going to create the connection. Open the spreadsheet that you need to connect, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option. You will come to this window right over here where on the search apps bar, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet from here. After refreshing the spreadsheet, now what you're going to do is go back to extensions. You will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks, from which select the option of this initial setup and you will come to the dialog box of initial setup. Over here it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. Now first for the webhook URL field, what we are going to do is we are going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and the trigger column is the final data column that I want to send towards this webhook URL. The last data column is known as final data column. Mine is column A because as soon as I will add in the idea, I want the data should be forwarded towards the webhook URL. So I'll write column A and click on this submit button. It says setup configured successfully. Now one last step is left. That is go back to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this send on event option. Now after doing that, what we are going to do is we are going to enter the new idea in the spreadsheet and check whether automatically my trigger captures a response or not. Over here in the trigger, click on this recapture and yes button. Now it says waiting for webhook response. Now let's add in the new idea in the spreadsheet. So this is my new idea for the video, trending streetwear fashion styles inspired by celebrities and social media influencers. As now I've added this idea, you will see automatically, if I'll refresh the page, if you will also have the session time over, refresh the page, go back to here and you will see the response is captured and it's the same description of the video that I entered. So as now the video description is captured, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now for this video, let's generate the title ideas. For that, simply we're going to set up this step. Click on this connect option, go towards this add new connection section, and we need to provide the API key. To have the key, go towards this hyperlink directly. You will come to the API keys page of your Google Gemini account. Come to this page right over here, go to this get API key section. Now you have to generate the key from this create API key section right here. I've already generated my key. I will copy it from here, paste it down in the field. I've already created the connection, so I'll select the connection from here and save. Okay. So now after that, as the connection will be created, we have to enter the prompt. Using this prompt, Gemini will understand our request and generate the title ideas for us. If you want the entire prompt that I will be using in this video to generate such amazing title ideas, you need to comment down below, share me this prompt, and I will share you the prompt instantly. So now for the prompt, I will write over here as: you are a viral YouTube title expert and fashion content strategist. I create videos related to fashion. That is why I've created this prompt accordingly. If you want the same prompt with the same points that I have used in this video, you have to comment down below. For that, I will share you the prompt instantly. Now I have to enter this topic. Now what is the description? For the data of this field, I will map the data. For mapping the data, add a slash where you want to map the data. Previous step is going to appear, and search for the description for which you want to generate the title ideas. I will select the data of the description from my previous response. As for this one, I want to generate the title ideas, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. For the Gemini version, I will use over here as Gemini Pro Latest. If you want to select a different version, you can do that accordingly. Method is going to be generate content, and click on this save and send test request button. Within few seconds, it will usually take 10 to 15 seconds for the response to come for Gemini to generate your content. So you might have to wait over here for 15 to 20 seconds at least, and then I will show you what titles Gemini has generated for this description of mine of trending streetwear fashion styles. So I will show you the response that I will receive now. I have received this response, and this is the content that is generated. These are 20 title ideas. You can see 7 shocking streetwear trends. You can see 5 must-have streetwear pieces, the secret of celebrity streetwear style exposed, affordable versus luxury streetwear, game-changing. You can see 20 titles is generated for the specific idea I had. Okay, these are different kind of title ideas that I can use for my video, for creating my video. So as I've received the content, let's update this content back in Google Sheets. Click on this connect button, go towards this add new connection, click on this sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here, and then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button. As you will do that, the connection will be created. Now we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet, for which I'll select YouTube video titles as well as sheet 1. After selecting the details, you have to enter the range where I want to update the data. That will be the column name and the row index. My column name is column B because in column B I want to update the data. Okay, you can see this is the column B. Okay. With that, the row index is response from the previous step. So I will map the data of the row index, and for the value, I will map the data of this generated content. Click on the save and send test request button. You will receive a response like this, and you will see in the Google Sheets the titles are updated successfully. These are the 20 titles for this specific use case. So as now the 20 titles is updated successfully in my Google Sheets, now this means the entire setup is done. Now you will enter your all the ideas in Google Sheets, so you will get a systematic record, not just of the ideas but also the SEO friendly titles for the use case, your video description that you have, in a systematic way in one space. You can share this spreadsheet towards your other creators, towards your editors, towards the people who is managing your YouTube channel, so that they can also sync with the ideas here. Directly, anyone can enter the idea. You will receive amazing 20 titles. If you want, you can enter 30 titles, 40 titles according to your requirement. So now, as this setup is done, this is how you create your first amazing Google AI Gemini for free without need of any coding. If you want the prompt, comment down below. If you want the template of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over over here, and if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.